I'm recently back from my first model railway show for quite a while. Maybe it's a couple of years. So you're going to see a video which is a collection of some of the still images that I've taken at the show. A couple of highlights. One of the highlights at the show itself for me, of the layouts, although there weren't many there, was a Harry Potter themed layout. This is the Pendle Forest. I think it's called Pendle Forest Model Railway Show. And I'm just going to show you something else that I picked up. Anyway, as I say, if you hang on, I'm going to show you some pictures of the Harry Potter layout. But I picked up this little booklet, All Ought Parish, the Limestone Hushings of Shedden. Where on earth, literally, is Shedden? Well, if I open up the booklet, we might get some clues as to it. Well, the first thing is it's based on a Cliviger in 1786. Well, it happens that I know where Cliviger is. It's a map of Lancashire that's there. And we'll see Cliviger Mill Mart. Townley Hall. Well, if you know anything about Burnley itself, you'll know about Townley Hall. Townley Park. There, the lodge. Up there, we've got something called Worsthorne. And my brother used to live in Worsthorne. So, Burnley's just over there. So this is the area that we're talking about. And I'm going to have a little bit of fun just reading this. 50p. I mean, you can't argue, can you, for a, 20-odd page, 30-page little booklet with some interesting industrial heritage, or it probably was pre-industrial. But anyway, and for those that have some idea about the area, then that's where Shedden Clough is. I think I've probably driven over the little road towards it. Mereclough, Overtown, Home Chapel there, Salterford Bridge up there, and then this is Cliviger area. I only know this area a little bit because of cycling around there. Well, we've got the Townley Arms there. So a few little landmarks for those that might know this area. Anyway, enjoy the pictures of the Harry Potter layout. It's an N-scale layout, and I hope that the pictures I've taken on this mobile phone come out. And before I go, the other highlight was seeing a couple of people that I know at the show, other railway modelers out there. And it's always nice to bump into friends with a common interest like that. So it was great to see them. I'm not going to give them a name check and then embarrass them on this YouTube. But yeah, great to just meet up with a couple of people.